Welcome everyone to my brand new studio. This is the studio I've been talking about, the long anticipated $2,000 studio. A lot of people have been waiting for it and asking about it. Can't wait to see it. And finally, here we have it in today's video, in which, very meta, I'll be covering my studio. So in this video, I want to give a rundown of the equipment, the layout, and all the things of the like. But get used to it. This is the studio you're going to be seeing for a very long time. This is the new look. I may change up the angle, maybe zoom in, zoom out a little bit. We'll play around with the settings there, but this is the overall look that you're going to be seeing for a very long time. So if you're brand new here, if you just subscribed to my channel, well, you're right on time. If you've been an OG fan right from the get-go, I appreciate your support greatly, and this is the new look. But I truly couldn't have done it without all of your support, so I greatly appreciate everyone that watches my videos, smashes that like button, gives the videos a big thumbs up. And of course, my subscribers, my loyal subscribers that have that notification bell clicked, those are the best subscribers because they are in line before anyone else to see my videos, before anyone else can even think to get to them or click on them. Those are the best kind of subscribers. So the first piece is going to be the audio, and that's going to be my beautiful Blackout Edition Blue Yeti microphone. This is the original classic that so many YouTubers and streamers and people use for audio. This is it. This is the Blue Yeti Blackout Edition microphone. It records great. There's so many different settings on it where you can have it coming from both directions. You have stereo. I have it on the cardioid setting right now, and that's the one that you're hearing at this moment. The cardioid setting basically records anything in front of the microphone. That's what you hear right now. I'm speaking directly into the front of the microphone, and it's only picking up sound in the front. It connects directly to my MacBook Air. It also would connect to any single laptop with a USB port. It's a USB microphone, but it came with a much longer one that was several feet long. This one is a much shorter one. I didn't need all that slack, so I went with a shorter one here that I have currently connected. The Blue Yeti microphone is not hooked up to my camera right now. It's only hooked up to my laptop, but what I'm doing is recording into voice memos. Now you can record a Blue Yeti microphone into an app like GarageBand or Audacity. There's so many different ways that you can record audio. I'm doing it in voice memos now, and then in post I go ahead and line up the audio to my mouth. Now there is a way to connect it directly to your DSLR camera. However, I'm doing this right now. I wanted to get this video out for you guys, show you my brand new studio, so I may or may not get that cable that would allow you to connect it. I don't think it's necessary when you could just do this and it works just as well and it's perfectly fine. The Blue Yeti microphone, in my opinion, sounds fantastic. I really like it. It comes out very crisp, and there's so many different settings on it that you can do, and it's very versatile. You can use it for so many different things like interviews and talking with people one-on-one, videos where you have people surrounding the microphone, phone calls. There's so many different ideas and options that you can do with the Blue Yeti microphone, and that's why I love it. I'm not endorsed by the company Blue. That is the company that makes it. Yeti is the model. However, I'm just putting out a good word for them. And speaking of DSLR cameras, the camera that I am recording on right now that I just purchased is the Canon Rebel T7i. It's a large leap up from what I used to record on. Now, back in the day, my very first couple dozen videos, I would say, that was always on a Sony Vixia camcorder. I had it just sitting, and I had it from previous film projects back in high school. I have a couple of them, and the quality is really not good, but you can make it good with some great lighting. Lighting is very important. You can have a very high-end camera, but with bad lighting, your shot won't come out good. So you can make it good with good lighting. However, it's not the highest quality camera that you can get, that's for sure. I then started filming on my iPhone 5 when I realized that you could just pop in that lapel mic and it will record that great audio. So that's why a lot of the original videos had great audio, but not so good video quality because it was on the iPhone 5. When I was using a Sony Vixia, I was just using the internal microphone that was in the camera. However, I did try to get a shotgun mic, but it wasn't compatible. So I decided, let me just try using my iPhone with the lapel mic. I already had that for a long time. So after the iPhone 5, then I upgraded my iPhone to an iPhone X. So the last several months, that's the majority of my videos have been filmed on my iPhone X with that same lapel mic. It's a Rode lavalier mic that just clips right onto your shirt or whatever you're wearing. And so that's what I've been using. The majority of my videos have been filmed using my iPhone X with my lapel mic. As far as the lens goes that I'm using with my Canon Rebel T7i, or when I bought it, it was the 800D. That's the European model, but it's the same exact camera, which took me a little bit to figure out. I'm just using the kit lens. It's the 1855mm lens that comes with the kit lens, and it works great for my purpose. I do know there are much higher quality and higher end lenses out there, but for my use with this studio and the light that I'm using, it works great. So far, if you're paying attention, we have the audio being the original Blue Yeti Blackout Edition microphone. We have the camera being the Canon Rebel T7i with the kit lens. Now it comes to the light. We are using a Nuir ring light, and because of my glasses, a big problem has always been the glare, and so that light is way, way, way above my head, so that way you don't get that glare on my glasses. Took a little bit of tinkering and TLC, however, I do got it now, and it looks great. The quality and image is very crisp. I'm very happy with the results. The ring light can go anywhere from about knee level all the way up to practically your ceiling, depending on how tall your ceilings are, and it even comes with another extension piece that you could put on it. So the ring light is a great option for you if you want to get great lighting in your videos. Now for the light, I'm using the white panels that came with it. It also comes with orange panels. However, the orange warm look is very unprofessional, and that's why a lot of the videos that you saw weren't the best quality in my past uploads. And so I really like the white light. The white light is very professional, and that's what you're seeing right now. It makes for a fantastic shot. All the power to you if you want to use orange lights. I think that's more so something along the lines for like an Instagram picture if you want a warm look. And by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram for whatever reason, you can go ahead and do so at Logan Cohn. But if you want it, then you can go ahead, all the power to you, go ahead and use the orange panels. And you will notice I did some embellishment. I did accessorize my studio. None of the videos in the past have ever been accessorized. This was my first time decorating anything really, so I had a fun time doing it. You can maybe count the Blue Yeti microphone as an accessory, but of course there's other obvious accessories in the shot here. So first up, you will notice my large $100 bill canvas behind me. It's a very nice canvas, nice print. I do like it, and it's a gold and black look. I didn't want just a flat $100 bill. I wanted some life to it that would blend in with the studio colors, and so I wanted this black and gold and a little bit of white in there. It really looks nice, and I really dig it. What do you guys think about it? Let me know down below in the comments. Do you like that $100 bill canvas? Other YouTubers you might see like canvases with quotes on the background or posters. So I wanted something that would really fill up the shot, something very wide and very much elongate the shot, and not just posters here and there scattered, because that's what the desk was for. As far as the choice of chair, here we go, some alliteration. A big, beautiful burgundy leather chair for any nice office, or in this case, a studio. The next accessory closest to me will be this vintage pen holder. It is a white marble base, and it has gold holders for the brown wood pens that complement the brown color of the desk as well as the background. So I thought it would very much go well with it, and I think it looks nice. What do you guys think about the pen holder? Now, of course, we have the $100 bill canvas, but I also wanted an accessory that would also have the theme of money, something with Wall Street. So I was thinking about a charging bull, but I figured that was a little bit cliche. I wanted something just a step above that. So I decided to get this very nice, it looks brand new to me, doesn't look worn at all. It is a bull versus bear statue desk piece. It has a wood base, and the bull is towering over the bear. The bull being very imposing, as optimism will win here in this fight on Wall Street. And the bull is ready to charge at the bear. The bear, very small, very compact, and it may not be able to stand a chance against the bull once that bull tackles the bear. I think the bulls will win in this scenario. But the wood base does go well, again, with the background as well as the desk. And I like the fact that the bull and bear are a little bit more abstract. It's not an exact detailed figure. It's not all of the details that you would see and features on a bull and a bear. It's a little bit more blocky, a little bit more abstract, very artsy. I like it. And then on my left to your right is going to be a brownish, burgundy, reddish leather plaque. It says "It Can Be Done." That is inspired by the same plaque. It's an exact replica of the one on President Reagan's desk, and I thought it went really nice with the studio. The color greatly, once again, goes very nice in conjunction with the rest of the studio colors. And I like the gold pop there. It matches with the gold trim on the $100 bill canvas, as well as the holders that are holding the wood pens here. And it's also kind of like my channel colors. If you see the art, the channel art on my homepage of my channel, it's a black and a goldish yellow, so it really complements everything and completes it well. I did want a little saying, some sort of a quote, but nothing too long that would distract you from myself or any of the content that I'm producing. So I thought this was really short and sweet and to the point and matches my mindset. And so I thought it was a great addition to the studio. And then to my furthest left is going to be this globe here. It has to do with like the zodiac sign, something like that, but it's not really legible on camera, so you get to see the overall structure of it. It looks a little scientific, it looks a little ambiguous. You don't really know exactly what it is. Is it a globe of Earth, of the solar system? Who really knows? And it is movable as well. It has articulation. Finished off with a wood base. It once again goes well with the colors of the desk and the background. So what would you rate the new studio? 10 being the best, 1 being the lowest? Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about the overall look of my studio when it comes to the camera, the lighting, the audio, and of course the accessories. But the content itself is of paramount importance. That is something that you always want to focus on. But I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, smash that like button, and if you'd like to see more videos from my channel, I do post videos every single week covering business, finance, investing, entrepreneurship, mindset, strategy, and tips and tricks from my own experience. Be sure to subscribe, hit that big red button, and if you'd like to be notified every single time I make a new video before anyone else, go ahead and click that notification bell as well, so you're notified every single time I make a new video. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.